Record and start.
My name is Jose Martinez, first year scholar, and my topic I picked in media today was an exoplanet that was discovered that scientists believe may be habitable. It's a fairly close planet, 20 light years towards the constellation of Libra. What's interesting is that two other planets have been also discovered to orbit that same star, but they were at the edge of the habitable zone. So they were either too hot or too cold to maintain life, and this new planet was right smack in the middle of the hot habitable zone. So that means that it's a fairly big chance that that planet could sustain life. But however, due to the planet's the star's small size, the planet doesn't rotate, and so one side is always facing the star, and one side is always at night. But between these two phases of day and night, there's a small strip of land that's in perpetual twilight, where temperatures are more suitable for life. I chose this topic because I've always been interested in astronomy. It's always fascinated me, and this has been one of the first findings where we found evidence of life outside of our solar system, and it's really fascinating because we're closer to proving that there's life out there just besides us. Well, now that people do know there's another habitable planet out there, will people just stop caring for Earth and just start stripping the Earth of all its resources until it's a barren wasteland? Maybe, maybe not, but even if it does happen, it won't happen anytime soon. So even though there's a prospect for colonizing new land, I guess, that won't happen. That probably won't be seen through by anyone living today, because of 278 different observations, and each one took about a full night's worth of observing, which took about 11 years actually, which is actually relatively quick based on how many stars there are out there. And since we found this relatively quickly, that's it's just kind of evidence that there's more habitable planets out there than we've originally thought.